Welcome back to How Car USA, your ultimate destination for classic legends, luxury icons, and next-generation automotive content. If you love vintage cars reimagined with modern technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a true piece of history reborn, the stunning 2026 Cadillac Model 30. Let's begin with the bonnet. The long, upright bonnet of this reimagined Model 30 stays true to its vintage roots but now comes finished in a deep, shiny dark color that gives it a rich and premium presence. The design is simple yet elegant, with smooth metal surfaces and subtle modern refinements. Underneath, this modern version is imagined to feature either a refined electric powertrain or a hybrid system producing around 300 to 400 horsepower. While it maintains its classic look, the performance is upgraded for smooth and silent driving, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6 to 7 seconds. At the front, the car proudly carries its iconic upright grille, now enhanced with chrome detailing and a modern finish. The classic round headlights remain, but they now feature LED technology for better visibility and efficiency. The front design is elegant and timeless, with small modern indicators integrated seamlessly without disturbing the vintage aesthetic. From the sides, the car looks long, graceful, and truly unique. The large fenders, whitewall-style tires, and exposed wheel arches give it a strong classic identity. A rear-mounted spare wheel adds to its heritage look, while the body lines remain smooth and flowing. The dark exterior color reflects beautifully, enhancing its luxury appeal and making it look like a moving piece of art. At the back, the design continues its vintage charm. The rear section is simple yet elegant, with classic-inspired lighting upgraded with modern LED elements. The taillights glow softly in red, while the indicators are subtle, and the cabin feels like stepping into a luxury time machine. The interior features premium black leather seats that are soft, comfortable, and handcrafted for a high-end experience. These seats combine vintage styling with modern comfort features like heating and ventilation, making them suitable for today's drivers. The dashboard is finished in a rich wood color, giving it a warm and classic feel. Real wood trim, polished metal accents, and analog-inspired controls blend beautifully with hidden modern technology. A discrete digital display is integrated into the design, providing navigation and infotainment without disturbing the classic look. This balance between old and new is exactly what modern American collectors appreciate. When it comes to speed and performance, this car is designed more for comfort and elegance rather than aggressive driving. With a top speed of around 130 miles per hour, it offers smooth acceleration and a quiet ride. Advanced suspension technology ensures a soft and luxurious driving experience, perfect for long cruises. Now let's talk about the steering features. The steering wheel is designed in a classic style but wrapped in premium leather for a modern touch. It includes hidden controls for media, navigation, and driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control and lane assist are included but designed to stay discreet, maintaining the vintage feel of the car. Technology in this vehicle is carefully integrated. It includes modern safety features such as a 360-degree camera, parking assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. There's also a premium sound system hidden within the cabin, along with wireless charging and smartphone connectivity, features that American buyers expect in luxury cars today. In terms of pricing in the United States, the 2026 Cadillac Model 30 is expected to be a limited production luxury collector's vehicle, preserve classic luxury styling while integrating futuristic displays and intelligent driving systems. A curved digital screen stretches elegantly across the dashboard, displaying navigation, performance data, entertainment, and vehicle controls in ultra-high resolution. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin with customizable color settings that create a relaxing and premium atmosphere at night. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium brown leather and polished wood accents, giving the driver a perfect blend of classic elegance and modern technology. The steering wheel includes touch-sensitive controls, adaptive cruise functions, voice command activation, and customizable driving mode selectors. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Model 30 is expected to feature a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid engine producing approximately 720 horsepower. Cadillac may also introduce a fully electric luxury variant in the future for buyers who prefer silent performance and eco-friendly technology. The hybrid system delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and excellent fuel efficiency while preserving the powerful feeling expected from a luxury Cadillac. The Model 30 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.2 seconds while maintaining a smooth and comfortable grand touring experience. Top speed is estimated at nearly 190 miles per hour, making this classic-inspired luxury machine surprisingly powerful for modern roads. Advanced driving technology includes adaptive air suspension, semi-autonomous highway driving, automatic parking assist, AI-powered voice controls, and Cadillac's latest safety systems. Features like lane assist, night vision cameras, collision prevention, and 360-degree parking cameras help make every drive safer and more relaxing. Passengers also enjoy premium entertainment through a high-end surround sound audio system, wireless smartphone connectivity, wireless charging pads, rear seat entertainment displays, and advanced climate control systems. Cadillac designed the cabin to feel like a luxury private lounge while maintaining the timeless personality of the original Model 30. The estimated starting price of the 2026 Cadillac Model 30 in America is expected to begin around $280,000, while fully customized collector editions could exceed $450,000 depending on features and personalization options. The 2026 Cadillac Model 30 proves that classic American luxury can still dominate the future. With its shiny metallic green exterior, handcrafted brown leather interior, futuristic technology, and powerful hybrid performance, this car perfectly combines vintage Cadillac heritage with modern innovation. Thanks for watching How Car USA. If you enjoyed this full review of the 2026 Cadillac Model 30, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury concept cars, futuristic classics, and cinematic automotive reviews. Let us know in the comments if you would drive this legendary Cadillac revival. Stay tuned for more incredible automotive content right here on How Car USA.